Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the life and achievements of the golden girl of gymnastics, Sunisa Lee. Let's jump right in. Hmong girl Sunisa Lee, fondly known as Suni, isn't just another name in the world of gymnastics. She's a testament to resilience, community, and cultural pride. With her Hmong American heritage, she's not only carved a niche in sports, but has also woven a tapestry of stories that many can resonate with. Early life and background. Born on March 9, 2003, in St. Paul, Minnesota, Sunisa belongs to the Hmong community, an ethnic group that found its way to the U.S. post the Vietnam War. Amidst life's challenges, from financial struggles to personal hurdles, Sunisa's community and her indomitable spirit were her pillars of strength. Gymnastics career, an ascending trajectory. Starting her gymnastics journey at just 6, Suni's prodigious talent shone brightly. But it was her hard work and relentless drive that propelled her to international acclaim. Key achievements: 2021 Tokyo Olympics. Under immense pressure, Suni clinched the gold in the women's all-around gymnastics, continuing the legacy of American women in the event. World Championships. Even before her Olympic fame in 2019, she made waves by securing silver in the floor exercise and bronze in the uneven bars. Sunisa's impact beyond gymnastics, more than her athletic prowess. Suni's Olympic victory was a symbol of hope and representation, especially for the Hmong community. And with the spotlight on her, she's been championing important causes, from mental health awareness in athletes to celebrating her Hmong roots. Review and conclusion. Sunisa Lee represents the future of sports, an athlete who's not only agile and dedicated but also deeply connected to her roots. Her performances are a melding of power, elegance, and sheer passion. But beyond the accolades and routines, Sunisa stands tall as an inspiration. To many, especially the young Hmong Americans, she exemplifies that dreams have no bounds, even when faced with challenges. In Suni, the world doesn't just see a gymnast, it sees hope, cultural pride, and the essence of the American dream realized. Thank you for tuning in. If you're inspired by Sunisa Lee's journey as much as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such stories. See you in the next video.